Hello guys, this is Asif and you're watching Haim Mobile. So without wasting time, let's start the video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat not open in new update iOS 15.4. As you can see, there is not open Snapchat. I'm so many tried open to, but there is still error. But here is other apps properly work and open. As you can see, Facebook properly work. Now open any other app. That's working properly. But Snapchat does not work or not open. Firstly, open settings and scroll down. You can see here Snapchat, just tap on it, then tap on notification, then tap on last option. As you can see here, 2 or 3 times tap on same option and go back to home screen. Now remove the Snapchat on iPhone. Snapchat is removed successfully now. Now open the App Store install and install Snapchat again. Open Snapchat. Sign up your Snapchat account. Enter your name and date of birth. And now your Snapchat is ready to use. It's video very helpful for you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.